Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Protecting Our Forest by Using a Tree Cutting Sensor Method. So in this project, we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it should be connected to the 80 mega 328 Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller board, and a vibration sensor we are using. So depend upon the pressing the vibration. So that should be sent to Arduino board using ADC, the whatever the threshold value. So if it is anything should be happen, then it will send the data to LCD display, and as well as it will send the data to and Bluetooth module. Here we are using HC05 Bluetooth module RX-TX0 and 1 16x2 LCD display. Just for showing purpose, we are using RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, one red LED and one green LED. Normal time green LED, problem time means tree cutting detected, red LED on, alarm continuously on. So this is our total block diagram of the project. So main motto is sensor, controller and Bluetooth. Okay. So here we are using one HC05 Bluetooth module which is available from the Google Play Store. Okay. So I will close everything. So now goes to power supply board, 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. It connected to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, 16x2 LCD display and HC05 Bluetooth module. Here we are using Bluetooth terminal app which is from the Google Play Store. One green LED and one red LED indicator and one alarm. So here we are using one vibration sensor we are using. Okay, and the app is close. Okay, first you need to on the Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth on. So on the Bluetooth. So here first everything unpair. Okay, so now I'm going to start the power supply. So here Bluetooth is blinking. Project title name is Protecting Our Forest by Using Tree Cutting Sensor Normal. So here HC05 is showing. Click it. HC05, click it. This is only for one time pairing. Don't do again and again. It is for only one time. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay. So it will tell you that connected, pairing, connected. Then go to app which is available from the Google Play Store. App. Okay, here scan. It will scan the already scanned. Okay, refresh. Okay. Already came SC05. Click it. Now press reset button here. So title name is Tree Cutting Detection System Started. So title name is Tree Cutting Method. Okay. So here power supply board, Arduino Uno R3, Bluetooth module, red LED and one green LED, one alarm, and here I am using vibration sensor. Okay. So every time it is coming normal trees it will come. Whenever we are cutting the trees. Okay. Tree cutting detected, red LED on, alarm on. It will tell you that tree cutting detected, tree cutting alert, somebody tree cutting detected. Okay, so we have to give the vibration, like vibration, or else you can go for any stick or you can give. Okay, so now I am taking one small plastic tree. Okay, power supply board, Arduino Uno R3, Bluetooth module, green LED, red LED, alarm, 16x2 LCD display, and here a vibration sensor we are using. Okay, then you can reset it or you can power off and you can power on. Go to clear it. Okay, okay, Bluetooth. Okay, normal trees. Here you can click it. Okay, you can press reset button. The title will come. Tree cutting forest, tree cutting detection sensor started. Tree cuttings. Okay, so now you can give, or else you can give cutting detected. It requires more impact. Whatever the impact, that impact should be high, then only it will tell you that tree cutting detected alert. Tree cutting detected alert, and it will use the LCD display also, and the red LED and alarm should be start. In this project we can add GSM GPS also. Then GPS will take the latitude longitude GPS module. GSM will send the SMS alert for something should be happened at some latitude longitude position. We can add GSM GPS in future, we can add it also. Okay. Power supply board, Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller board, SC05 Bluetooth module. Green is normal. Okay. More impact. Tree cutting detected. Okay, tree cutting detected. Okay, thank you. This is our total block diagram of the project.